Improving your photography is not about learning how to take better photos, which might sound a little weird at first, but hear me out. Over the years, I've learned that the true struggle in photography isn't the creative aspect, the artistic vision, the style or look, or even the technical aspects of the craft. And the hardest part about photography is not taking good photos. Rather, I've found that many people, photographers or not, already have some sense of visual acuity, an eye, a sense of understanding of what looks good, and a feeling or desire to capture and bring that out. And the difference between them and better photographers is simply a mountain of work and experience. You see, what bridges the gap between you and the photographer you could be is not talent, not the camera you have, and not the place you live, but rather hundreds of more photo sessions, thousands of more photo edits, and dozens of more photography projects. It's the simple stuff, the reps. Most people in photography and life know what they need to be doing, they're just not doing it. And if you learn to flip the switch, turn the dials, improving your photography wouldn't be such a big deal. It's relatively straightforward. Take more pictures, edit more photos, make more projects. Because while I could tell you about all these other somewhat useful things I learned in my journey, you still need the proper experience to make them connect and stick. I also can't literally go out and take the photos for you. That's why I created photography systems. This is not a position your camera this way and take the picture type of course. It's a I know what I need to do to get better, but it's going to take a lot of work and a long time, so how do I do it? In photography systems, we'll learn many useful things. We'll learn all about how photographers make real progress in the craft. I'll share with you how you can master photography when you have no time. We'll dive into why so many great photographers fail, but you won't. And we'll discover not just how to make improving our photography simple and easy, but inevitable. Because improving your photography isn't simply about learning how to do photography. It's about becoming a photographer. This is not some lazily put together set of videos I decided to whip up one day. I've done some legitimate thinking and studying about improvement and mastery, and I've compiled all of that into an easy to digest and apply format. Each lesson is dense, jam-packed with relevant information at what I believe is a high signal, low noise ratio, yet still comprehensive enough to cover the bases. These are timeless, meaning you can rewatch them anytime you get stuck. I still use them myself. Some have taken me years, and after learning, I tell myself, man, I really wish I knew about this sooner. Because it would have made my life so much easier, the process so much simpler, and kept photography not only challenging, but fun. Systems are honestly not the most exciting part about photography, but they work. And you can take and apply what you learn here into any facet of life. Meaning, this may not only be the photography productivity course that changes your photography, but also your life. Now, if you're completely fresh into photography, this might not be the course for you. I'd start with Photography Essentials first. That will cover all the basics, the foundations, the fundamentals, and it's free. And then come to photography systems when you're ready for the next step. So if you're ready to improve your photography today, let's get started.